Morning guys, it is December 10th, 2020. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a couple of burners, oil burners he wants serviced. I don't think I've ever worked for this guy before, so he's got one in the house and one in the garage. I don't know even what kind of condition these things are going to be in. First thing I do is look at the oil tank, see if I even want to work on it. And then we'll take it from there. Sometimes I'll walk away from them, especially if the tank's really bad. I don't want to get involved with that, you know. We'll see. We'll give it the old once over, maybe. Alright. Yeah, maybe we could move this. Yep. Move this that way or something if possible. Problem. Yeah. It don't look crazy bad. Alright.
2018.
Alright, so it's only been a couple of years since he did the filter.
Yeah.
Oh, I wonder why he wrote everything on the side. That's kind of different, huh?
Just to keep a record.
Yeah, I'm surprised he doesn't use a tag like me.
Yeah.
It's kind of different.
Well, that's, yeah, my mom does it.
Yeah, because I just leave a tag there, you know. And cobwebs sit here, so we'll shut this off. I'm going to change this filter. This is the first time I've done this job, so at least I'll know what it's changed. Things don't look too bad. Loose as a goose. Wow. Yeah, filter don't look bad. While I'm here, I'm changing it. At least we know how a no filter going forward, right? Double gasket on there, I guess. Don't look too bad. And bleed it right from here. Bleed the air out. The tiger loop, so it's self-bleeding. Sometimes these get blocked in here, the passageway and whatnot. Alright, here it comes now. Here comes the oil. So that's going to be bled. Besides, the tiger loop is self-bleeding. You open this back up, ready to go. Run it off, so an old Peerless. Wow, running the big nozzle on this thing. It's an AFG. Yeah, ain't looking bad. $125.80. See how that's clean? That's good. It's good to clean this plate up so you get a good reflection, helps the cats out. Cat cell's nice and clean. Fire it up. Long valves. So it's going to take 90 seconds for them to call all zone valves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stuck in there, see it? Get draft over the fire. Good draft over the fire. New filter tank, new nozzle, good draft over fire. Not all full of soot, that's good. Got a tiger loop, overhead oil line. Look at all the purge valves. Oil pressure's good. Good new style control. It's got a newer burner in it. Newer burner on it. Installed 93. So that's 27 years. Tank's got a little bit of leakage from the fill. It's not tight. You see it's leaking down. That's not unusual. This thing looks good. 3 transformers. All them zone heads. 3, 6, 7, 8. You could put 3 zone heads on 1 transformer. So that's why you need 3. Look at pigs. There's pigs over there. That's
Oh, they're over there?
yeah, I mean, there's a whole bunch of them, huh?